Students, today we are going to start our chapter number 2, fraction and decimals. So our exercise 2.1 first question is simplify. So our first question is 8. So our first question is 8 ratio 1 by 9. So what you have to do, you have to multiply 9 multiply 8. What it will come? 72. 72 plus 1, it will come 73 by 9. Then 8 multiply 5. What it will come? 40. 40 plus 1, 41 by 8. 24 into 2. What it will come? It will come 48. 48 plus 7, it will come 55 by 24. So after that, what you have to do? You have to take the LCM of 9, 8 and 24. Here we have already taken the LCM. After the LCM you will get 72. So see here in 9 table how much times 72 it came. It will come 8 times. So 8 multiply 73. What it will come? 584. 8 in the 8 table 72 it will come 9 times. So 9 multiply 41 you will get 369. 24 in the 24 table you will get 3 times. So you have to multiply 3 multiply 55. You will get 165. Like this you have to subtract 584 minus 369. You will get 215. Then after 215 minus 165 you will get 50. This is your answer. Like this you have to solve question number 1 whole. Question number 2 it's given there. What must be taken from 3 ratio 1 by 2 to leave 2 ratio 1 by 3? So first what we have to do? We have to do subtraction. So what we will write here? 3 is to 1 by 2 and minus 2 is to 1 by 3. Now you have to do multiplication. 2 into 3 you will get 6. 6 plus 1 you will get 7 by 2. Then after 3 into 2 you will get 6. 6 plus 1 you will get 7 by 3. After that what you have to do? You have to take the LCM of 2 and 3. You will get 6. You have to write here 6. Then after you have to see there in 2 table how many times 6 come. It will come 3 times. So you have to multiply 3 into 7. And here 3 in the 3 table 6 it will come 2 times. So you have to multiply 2 into 7. Next what you have to do? You have to subtract. 21 minus 14 you will get 7. After that what you have to do? You have to divide it, and whatever the answer it will come you have to write here, and whatever the remainder it will come you have to write here. Then how you have to check? You have to check like this. 6 into 1 it will come 6. 6 plus 1 7 by 6. So your answer is correct. Now question number 3. If a day is 1 is to 1 by 2 hours longer than a night, then what is the length of each? Assume that 1 and 1 night together equals to 24 hours. Then how you have to solve? You have to write there, let length of the night be x. Then length of the day equals to x plus 3 by 2 hours. Why you have written 3 by 2? Because already here in the question it's given 1 is to 1 by 2. So you have to multiply 2 into 2. 2 into 1 you will get 2. 2 plus 1 you will get 3 by 2. That's why we have written x plus 3 by 2 hours. Then if 1 day and 1 night equals to 24 hours, then what you have to do? X plus x plus 3 by 2. Why we have written x plus 3 by 2? Because for night it's a x and for day it's a x plus 3 by 2. So you have to write for night x and for day x plus 3 by 2 equals to 24 hours. Then what you have to do? You have to add x plus x. You will get 2x equals to 24 minus 3 by 2. Why we have written 3 by 2 minus? Because here it in the plus form. So you have to bring this equal to this side. You will get minus 3 by 2. So 2x equals to 48 minus 3 by 2. How it came 48? Because here nothing it is there. You have to take 1, and after that you have to take the LCM of 2. Then 1 and 2 you will get 2. So in the 1 table how many times it will come? It will come at the 2 times. So you have to multiply 2 into 24. You will get 48. 48 minus 3 you will get 45. 45 by 2. Here how it came 2? Because x this side it's a 2. So it will come 2 into 2. X equals to 45 by 4. So what you have to do? You have to convert into the mixed fraction. You will get 11 is to 1 by 4. So length of the night x it's given. So x answer what it came? It came 45 by 4 or 11 is to 1 by 4. So you have to write 11 is to 1 by 4 hours. For day, what it's given there, x plus 3 by 2. So what is the value of x? 45 by 4. You have to put the value of x here plus 3 by 2. Now you have to take the LCM of 4 and 2. What you will get? 4. So write here 4. In the 4 table it will comes 1 time. So 45 multiply 1, you will get 45. Here 2, in the 2 table you will get 2 times. So you have to multiply 2 into 3. You will get 6. 46 plus 45 plus 6, you will get 51 by 4. So your answer, it will come 12 is to 3 by 4. 4 number question, it's given there. What is the least fraction which when added to 2 by 3 will makes to the result a natural number? So you take as a natural number as a 1. So 1 minus 2 by 3 you will get. Here you have to take the LCM. By taking the LCM of 1 and 3, you will get 3. So you will get 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, you will get 1 by 3. Now 5th number question. A milkman has 12 is to 1 by 2 liters of milk. He sells 1 by 4th of it. Then how much milk is left with him? So what we will write here? We will write total quantity of milk equals to 25 by 2. How we are writing 25 by 2? We are taking like this, because 2 multiply 12, you will get 24. 24 plus 1, you will get 25 by 2. If he sells 1 by 4th of liter, then milk left with him equals to 25 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Now here you have to take LCM of 2 and 4, you will get 4. So here you have to multiply 25 multiply 2, you will get 50 minus 1. 50 minus 1, you will get 49 by 4. So you have to change into the mixed fraction, you will get 12 is to 1 by 4. 6th number, it's given there. Read the adjoint figure carefully and find the parameters. So see this figure. What you have to do, you have to label the diagram. Write there A, B, C, D, E. Then after, what you have to write? You have to write parameter of A, B, C equals to AB plus AC plus BC. So what do you have to write? You have to write 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 9 by 2. Now you take the LCM of 10, 5 and 2. You will get 10. Then afterwards you write here 7 plus 2, 4 plus 45. How it will come? In the 5 tables, 10, it will comes 2 times. So you multiply 2 into 2, you will get 4. In 2 tables, it will comes 5 times. So 5 multiply 9, you will get 45. 56 by 10 at last you will get by adding these numbers. You have to solve all these maths like this by adding all the parameters and by labeling the diagrams. So this exercise 2.1 already completed.